Yarn bobbins exist for a reason. If you're doing intarsia, they will hold your yarn very tight and keep it very neat. But I find for simple projects, especially if I'm using Tunisian crochet and I'm not flipping my work back and forth, just doing a figure 8 actually works a bit better. So I did a figure 8 around my fingers. Figure 8s keep you from adding or subtracting twist. And then with the last few inches, I just wrap around tight but not too tight. And this forms a surprisingly sturdy bundle. So I've done this with, I don't know, a project with maybe 20 different bobbins, and I actually preferred these to doing the bobbins. But again, crucially, I was doing Tunisian crochet, so I wasn't turning my work back and forth all the time. If you start to get a little bit loose because you've already used quite a lot of your yarn, you can just redo this last wrap and tighten it back up. Now again, bobbins exist for a reason. This is never going to be as sturdy as a bobbin, but it's not too bad. And then to pull them, you just can grab onto the wrapped part and pull straight out like that. Ta-da!